Hello and welcome to ET Education's Annual Education Summit 2024. I am Apurva Shukla and right now I have been joined by the very special guest who is the Chairman and MD of Jaro Education, Dr. Sanjay Salunkhe. Hi sir.
Hello.
So the first question that I would like to ask you is, how's your experience of the summit?
It was wonderful. All education is coming together, industry is coming together, educators coming together, understanding their future plans for the education as a whole from the UGC chairman sir, AICT chairman sir was wonderful. And there was a lot of talk on how the collaborative approach of the industry and education institutions can go together. Because ultimately the population which passes out from the education institution has to be employed. And to make them employable, there should be a major contribution of the corporate to the education institutions. So they also understood the need of the hour, and there's a long way to go in this collaboration as a whole. So the way McKinsey has a case study competition, or Microsoft has a competition for that matter, like the Olympics of Technology is held by Microsoft. PNG, Procter& Gamble has CEO Challenge competition. So the faculties also from the education side should go into the industry. And when they go into the industry and they be there and they study, like they can be on the board of directors. They can pass the independent director exams and they can be the board. And once the faculties of a MBA institute are on the board of the companies, they will understand the real business problems and they can come back to the institute and they deliver the same thing to the management students as a whole. And then the employability will be much, much better. So the way these MBA students go for the internship in the corporate for 2 months, that should be a little more. So they will get the real actual working experience of the industry.
Right.
Like if you look at Ivy League universities, they prefer students with 4 to 5 years of industry experience. So then when they come down there, they are already knowing how the company functions. What are the various functions? So how an MD of a CEO of a company should have knowledge of all functions in the company, whether it's finance, marketing, HR, operations, IT, or project management. So they all aspire to become the MDs of the companies and CEOs of the companies or entrepreneurs. So they need to, and also somebody mentioned about we have to be perpetual learners now. The days are gone that MTech done, PhD done. Now we don't need to study. No, now every 2-3 years we'll have to go undergo learning. So lifelong learning process will be there.
Another question that I would like to ask you is, what according to you is the role of AI in education sector?
AI will play a big role in this because with the translation from the English to vernacular languages, it is a big role down there. Secondly, the AI can track or map the learning patterns of the student, the pace at which he is learning, the content what he is learning for that matter, and then accordingly provide solutions. Right? A faculty can remember maybe 1, 2, 3 book content, but AI through AI machines for that matter, they know thousands of books and they can give the precise way. The way ChatGPT has done major contribution to the student population, AI will have a wonderful work.
Thank you so much for your time, sir. Stay tuned to ET Education social platform to know more about what's happening right here at the event.